My dear professional colleague, today as we all are witnessing the growth trajectory of our country India, it is quite promising to note that service sector in India has grown tremendously. As per the economic survey report published recently, services sector continue to contribute significantly to India's growth and account for 55% of the total size of the economy. While as per the estimate, the services sector is estimated to have grown by 7.6% in financial year 24. The export accounted for 44% of the total export in financial year 24. On this note, my dear colleague, let me share a quick recap of the events that happened recently. MCA has notified Ind AS 117 insurance contract applicable to insurance sector for the first time as recommended by ICAI in consultation with IRDA. The institute also issued amendment to AS 22 accounting for taxes on income arising due to international tax reform Pillar 2 model rules for non-company entity, and the same are effective for annual reporting period beginning on or after April 1st, 24. The ICAI has submitted recommendation on accounting standard and auditing standards applicable to LLP to the appropriate authority. ICAI has also issued exposure draft for standard on auditing for audit of financial statement of less complex entity for public comment. ICAI is also developing a common portal for obtaining the balance confirmation from the public sector bank as per a MOU with IBA and PSB alliance with ICAI. This is in furtherance to the ease of doing business and leveraging the use of technology for third-party confirmation. I feel extremely delighted in sharing that from 13th to 15th August 2024, we had our 433rd council meeting at Rishikesh, Uttarakhand, which was addressed by Swami Ramdev ji. At the council, various crucial matters concerning the profession and the institute were discussed, which includes formation of a Section 8 company for setting up alternate dispute resolution ADR center of ICAI. We have also renewed the mutual recognition agreement between ICAI and CP Ireland. Audit Quality Maturity Model 2.0, which was developed with an objective to enable audit firms to evaluate their current level of audit maturity and also identify areas where competency need to be strengthened, were released. We have also decided to convert certificate course on forensic accounting and fraud detection to diploma course. Publication of ICAI guidance notes, standards, exposure draft, e-journal and other relevant documents will be on ICAI CA-GPT simultaneously with other platform. Recently, on the council meeting, ICAI also issued inaugural edition of International Research Journal ICAI Garuda on 15th of August. The theme of the edition is Audit 360-degree View. It provides a holistic view of the auditing panorama of the country. Colleague, our institute is a large network of branches domestically, and I do believe that infrastructure development plays a crucial role in strengthening the whole ecosystem of the organization. Considering this, we had the inauguration of new branches at Neemuch, Raigad, Darbhanga and Muzaffarpur. With these inaugurations, ICAI has expanded to 176 branches across the country. Further, we had the foundation stone laying ceremony of Chengalpattu district branch of SIRC of ICAI. I believe that these branches would do pivotal centers in serving our students and members effectively and efficiently. It is also delighted to note that Vijayawada branch and Visakhapatnam branch of SIRC donated approximately 1 crore rupees each to the Chartered Accountant Benevolent Fund. I truly appreciate the members of these branches for the noble endeavors, for their generous contribution for the welfare of kith and keens of our member. The ICI, through its research committee, had organized the 5th series of the ICI International Research Award 24 on 30th August at Chandigarh. The award aims to honor and recognize the outstanding contribution of researchers, scholars and academicians across the globe. The event was graced by jury chairman Mr. Del Pinto, the president of the CPA Australia. Networking, collaboration and knowledge sharing are the three cornerstones on which the foundation of any profession rests. In this context, at the Institute, we took proactive measures for the benefits of our members at large, like 38th Regional Conference of WARC at Mumbai, 49th Regional Conference of EIRC at Kolkata, 56th Regional Conference of SIRC held at Bengaluru. Further, at the Institute, we believe in expanding our outreach and frontiers globally. In this regard, I recently visited Singapore and met the President Institute of Chartered Accountant of Singapore, the Chair of the Institute of Valuers and Appraisers, and Executive of Accounting and Corporate Regulatory Authority ACRA. The meetings deliberated on the matters of mutual interest for development of our profession. Further, I, along with immediate past President C. Aniket Talati and CA Dheeraj Khandelwal, visited Australia as a part of a high-level delegation from IFSCA Gift City, Gandhinagar. I attended the IFCA Roundtable Interaction on Opportunity in India and interacted with more than 100 CA firms and practitioners based in Australia. The interaction mainly addressed the opportunity available at GIFT IFCA for bookkeeping, accounting, taxation and compliance of the financial crime and other investment opportunity in India. Colleague, we move further. I would like to say that sustainability is the new normal and we as a professional, citizens and countrymen should try to inculcate in ourselves the norms of sustainability. The importance of sustainability practice is also encouraged in the Union Budget 2024, wherein the government has announced climate finance taxonomy for enhancing capital availability for climate adoption and mitigation related measures. It is our collective responsibility to protect our environment. The ICI, on the occasion of the CA Day, has launched ICI 75 Green Mahotsav, which aimed to green our planet by planting more than 1 lakh plants and trees across India. On this context, I would like to mention that the present issue of the CA Journal is on the theme Tomorrow's India, Advancing Sustainability and Driving Growth, which aims to apprise the readers of the critical role of sustainable practices in fostering economic growth and resilient future for India. Some of the articles in the journal are how climate change can impact our financial reporting, EU taxonomy, assurance requirement and its implication on India and Indian chartered accountant, sustainable finance and financial institutions, balancing the books of the planet, exploring the world of carbon accounting for a sustainable future. Further, this issue also contains articles on direct tax, GST, accounting standards, banking, audit, commercial law and technology. Colleague, to conclude, I would like to say that ours is a profession which has its power in its community. It is vital that we understand that to make a big change, small, concerted and continuous efforts are required. Time is never constant. It is ever evolving, and we should understand that we also have to change ourselves with the changing times. With these lines, I extend my wishes to all the practicing members for the upcoming successful tax audit period. Jai Hind, Jai ICAI.